Hello friends, welcome to karmatech. In this particular video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert Webp file to Jpeg in your Mac. Now to do this, you don't have to download any third-party application. The process is completely free and the steps I'm going to explain is by default present in your Mac. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. So as you all can see, I already have the Webp image file on my desktop, and in order to convert it, you have to do nothing, just simply select that particular file. Now you can convert one single image at a time, or if you have multiple Webp image file, you can select each and every file and you can convert it at once. Now I have one file over here. Once you just simply select that particular file, right click on your Mac and look for quick action over here. Now once you select quick action, you get convert image option. Select convert image, you get a pop-up screen like this. Now in format, you can select the drop down and you can select whichever format you want. Now JPEG is what we are going to convert it into, but you have PNG and HEIF as well. So let's keep it JPEG for now. After that, you can just simply select the image size. If you want the actual size, if you want large, medium, small, you can choose as per your requirement. Now once you select the format and image size, all you have to do is just simply tap on convert image, and now you can see this particular image is converted to JPEG. Additionally, as you all can see, I have AVIF format as well. So if we want to convert that, the process is going to be same. Right click on the image after selecting, and then go to quick action, go to convert image, and again you can just simply select the format. This time if you want to convert it into PNG, select the format and select the size which you want, and then select convert to PNG. Now later on you can see we have successfully converted AVIF to PNG. So yeah, this is how simple it is to convert Webp image file or AVIF image file to JPEG or PNG. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.